Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Udemy course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a PDF into your Udemy course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a PDF into your Udemy course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing courses, you know that some information can't be conveyed in a video, and you might want to have a downloadable PDF as a course item. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Udemy instructor account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Udemy course, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add a PDF into your course, here on the left side, you're going to click on courses. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the course you'd like to add a PDF into. So for example, this one right here, and just click on the course. Okay, once you do that, you'll see the curriculum button here on the left. Click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your curriculum. So you can see this one is an international cooking course. So we have section 1, Mexican food, section 2, Chinese food. And to add a PDF, it's going to go under a lecture. So for example, this one right here, we have a lecture about chow mein. If you don't have a lecture or you want to create a new lecture, you can add curriculum item and then click on lecture. Once you do that, you can add a lecture item. So we have chow mein, kung pao chicken, and maybe we'll do egg rolls and then add lecture. So once you've added a lecture, off to the right, you're going to see this button, content. Click on there. Once you've added a lecture, off to the right, you're going to see a content button, but off to the right of that, you're going to see a downward arrow. Click on there. Once you click on that downward arrow, you're going to see description and resources. Click on resources. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and choose a PDF to add into your Udemy course. So select file. Okay, I grabbed a PDF. You can see it's uploading. Okay, now we have a PDF inside our lecture 3 about chow mein. So maybe this is a PDF with a recipe list or an item list. So now when someone makes it through my course into section 2 about chow mein, they will be able to see a PDF there to download. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a PDF into your Udemy course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.